for signing up. We had about 50 people sign up, and what they all had to do was write an essay as to why we should choose them to be contestants representing a store of their choice. So what I'd like to do is, while we're waiting for some water to come out, because that'll be a good part of the competitors, I'm going to take a bullhorn, and each of the competitors will introduce themselves and explain why they think they've got a good shot at winning today. No. Okay.
Hey, my name is Charles Hansen, apparently a shell raiser. I like the creative people who goes with that. I'm a student at the University of Washington. I lived in Japan for a year. I've eaten a whole lot of fins all over the world, including Japan, the Czech Republic, and California. We're just too far, but hey, good enough.
Give me a hand!
Yeah!
Hi, I'm Darius Veshtaki, and I like to eat, and I can eat a lot. One thing about eating is 10% of it is right here, and 90% of it is right here and right here.
Okay, I'm Billy the Fridge. I have experience eating and experience winning. If you're 21 and up, you can come by Blue Moon Tavern tonight. I'm going to be playing with Southside and Death Star on the stage live. Sushi in my stomach. Probably a winner, just saying. Sorry about that.
Hi there, I'm Tim Crockett. I'm a consultant from Bellevue. I think I'm going to win today because I haven't actually eaten anything in 3 weeks because I've been on a hunger strike to protest the closing of the Arby's in Bellevue. So I feel pretty good on my chest.
Unlike this guy, I do not eat Arby's. I got food poisoning there once. So. Anyway, I think after meeting Billy the Fridge, I think all of us are actually so in second place. I'm Jack Monster, two-time winner in the Whitby Island Petco Muscling Contest. And I'm gonna win.
I'm Chuck. Look at this. That's all I can eat. That's all that matters.
I'm Chris.
I'm the beast. I'm the sultan of sashimi. I'm hotter than wasabi. I'm not talking trashy. Understand we do have a champion eater over there. I'm talking about you, Billy the Fridge. 2008, 2009, top hot donut eating champion. I understand that you're a musician. I'm saying you're a musician. On your album, you have a single called The Lusty Lady. Is it true that they're shutting down just so they can stop? Alright, no, honestly though, I respect you, you're a big dude, but you got more chins than my family. Alright, I'm done. This time you beat our boy that can chew. And I should know to choose my cousin.
Follow that, that was great. My name is Colin Clemens. I've been a competitive athlete all my life, and I actually have a son here that thinks I'm a rock star. We're good.
My name is Karen Goodman. I'm from downtown, and I'm here to taste victory.
Okay. Did everybody bring a helper with them today? Okay. So who are the helpers? Okay. Here. So James Allard, co-founder of Blue Sea Sushi and the most organized person in the bunch, is going to be in charge of plating the sushi. So as you see your team members coming down, right, to the wire and they need more, you run to James and go get it so you can help fill up the table. Okay, makes sense? Okay, and we're going to get more water. Yeah. Okay. So, who wants to volunteer to be a helper?
Someone to grab the sushi.
All right, you got it? Okay. All right, now this is our first eating competition, so we've never really reviewed all of the rules about how this works. But Eric just gave me a little clue, which is the use of water, okay? And the rule is, because water is going to help the food go down a little bit easier, so what you can do is you can use a little of the water to put it on top of your sushi, but you can't dunk the sushi into the water. Make sense? Is that the right way to do it? Okay, yeah, sure.
Why can't we do it?
And then what we've decided to do is when you finish a plate, stack it on top of another plate. So we want to look at full stacks by the end of the competition. If we have a tie, what we would look at is the number of pieces left over on the top stack. And if there's a tie after that, we will go on to an additional 2-minute overtime between the people who are tied if they're at the top. Make sense? Yes. Good idea.
And then you just put them in. It should be enough.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's a good idea. It's pretty crowded in here.
Are we gonna have a time countdown?
Yeah, we'll have a time countdown. Yeah.
Spread this out.
Good. Can you? Yeah, we can spread them out a little bit.
We're just sitting out on the floor back there.
I don't think so. I think is he doing us?
You're the helper, or I've got another helper.